Led by a man named Guatapé, this highly unusual landscape deep inside of Colombia was controlled since ancient times by indigenous peoples, with evidence and artifacts found at several archaeological ruins. At least until the arrival of the Spanish conquistadors. I used Google Earth to find a couple of high points in the area for a better look, but I was soon hacking my way through near impenetrable jungle. And you, well, buckle up, because you're coming along.
Welcome to Sweller Than Dweller. As you can see, I am walking down the highway outside of town. I'm headed up to a lookout point high up to get some good views and plus just to enjoy a little bit of a hike. I just love walking along these highways in the country until a bus comes. But, you know, it's just beautiful, peaceful and quiet. Picked myself up a dog stick, just in case. Here's where we leave the pavement and get onto the dirt. At least we won't have to deal with any buses. Whoa! Looks like someone tripped and fell into a mud hole right up to their shoes. Quite a ways up the road, looks like some sort of quarry or mine. After just over an hour of walking from town, I think I found it. It looks like a fairly well-beaten trail with a sign. Awesome! Looks a little bit slick. Well, it's a bit thick and kind of steep at times, but it's okay because it's nice solid rock. All the dirt's been worn away and it's good grip. Wow, this is a bit thick. After a short jaunt through that thick jungle, looks like we've broken out onto more of a wide open path. It's looking a bit better here. We gotta be getting close. There it is. Mirador, San Jose. We have made it, I think. After an hour and a half, we've made it. It's beautiful.
The name Guatapé comes from the Quechua language and means stones and water.
There is another trail to a higher lookout point, but it looks a little more rugged. I don't know. We'll give it a shot. Oh man, it's thick. Wow. Holy sh**.
Guatapé must have been one incredible leader.
Oh.
Because trying to make your way through this terrain without roads is absolutely tenuous. Under most leaders, I think there would probably be a revolt and a mutiny.
She's a bit thick. Oh, I'm being bitten by something. Fire ants. Well, after all that, the higher lookout's a whiteout. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. At least we got the lower view. Oh, back at the main road. I'm glad to see that. 'Cause it's starting to rain. I'm alive! I made it! Before we hit viewpoint number 3, which is only a short walk, let's head into town for some lunch, a menu del dia, have a rest, get cleaned up, and then we'll head up. And the view? Well, you won't want to miss it. It is primo, my friends. Holy! Looks like I found some friends! Made it back to town!
Welcome to probably my most favorite restaurant in Guatapé, Tierra Dentro.
So, the hike turned out to be more than I anticipated. So, partway through, I took my underwear off because they were fresh and I didn't want them to get all sweaty. So I hung them on the outside of my backpack. But when I got to the restaurant, they were still there and I didn't realize it. So I walked to the restaurant with my underwear swinging around. Oh, Sweller, you gotta keep it classy, man. Oh my, are you seeing all this food? Beans, rice, French fries, chicken, salad, and a drink. Does it get any better than this? For under $4. It's a good thing we finished when we did. I don't know if you can see this far, but where we were, even the low viewpoint, looks to be in the clouds now. Hola! Each and every morning I get up in Guatapé, and this is my view. Stellar, my friends, stellar. Time for viewpoint number 3. To the top of the hill, you can see from the balcony of the Lakeview Hostel. Some trail by the road, and it's going up, so you know I gotta take it.
Finally, we can see why the ancients, led by Guatapé, persevered to inhabit this beautiful and fertile area.
Oh my gosh, look at that view. After the big menu del dia, it's time for just a little snack in the evening. We'll have some arroz gabacho with chicken, ham, vegetables, raisins, and a bunch of other stuff I don't even know how to pronounce. Not too bad. It's actually a soy sauce base, so, you know, it's really chicken fried rice is what it is. But you know what? For $1.40, it's pretty darn good. If you enjoyed that video, then you should watch this one next. And if you've seen that one, then you should watch this one. And if you've seen them both, then you're one of my top viewers. And I appreciate you so much. And I will see you in the next video.